In this video, we'll be going over the run from here procedure. This procedure serves to return to a spot that we were prior to a machine failure or a program failure, and is very useful when we don't want to sift through many thousands of lines of G-code to try and locate the correct line. In order to use this, first, use the jog buttons to move to a spot that is the closest you were prior to the machine being stopped. And after you have navigated to that spot, let's say it's this spot right here, you can press the Run From Here button. The Run From Here button will bring up a pop-up window that has the reference position that you are currently at, a line number if you know the exact line number or a rough estimate of a line number where you ended, and then it has the buttons for the XY and XYZ search. The XY search is typically used on details or parts that are flat, so you typically only have an XY component to them, while for a part such as in this example, which has a very visible 3D component, we will use the XYZ search to approximate the point we're trying to find. So now that we are at the reference position, we can press the XYZ button, and the program will display the found position. This found position is the closest to the reference position. It will display the distance to reference, so how much we were off, and the distance will be displayed for the XY and the XYZ planes. And after we have finished that, we can press the Confirm button, and you can notice that the system will automatically jump to the corresponding line number. So in this case, it's the one right here. At this point, we can press the Start button and the program will resume running. A word of note, if the program has a tool change in the middle, it might sometimes not allow you to start the program prior to the tool change. In order to change the tool, you can just do so through the diagnostics window and change the tool number right here. Thank you for watching. Visit our website at pvautomation.com for more information.